Have you noticed something? No matter how good Claude gets, most AI websites still look like they were made by AI. The gradients, the fonts, the layouts, you can spot them in seconds. And the funny part, it's not because Claude is bad at designs, it's because most people use it the wrong way. Today I'll show you a simple 3-step workflow that completely changed how I build landing pages with Claude. No magic prompts, no 5,000 lines system prompts, no secret MCP that magically fixes everything. Just three ideas that make Claude design like someone with actual taste. Let's jump in. The real problem. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They open Claude and type, build me a modern AI landing page. Claude does exactly what you asked. It gives you purple gradients, rounded cards, a glowing hero, enter font, some floating blobs. Looks nice, looks modern, looks exactly like 10,000 other AI startups. This is what people call AI slow. Not because it's ugly, because it's generic. And here's something important. Even if Claude becomes twice as smarter next to it, the average output would still be average. Because AI predicts patterns. If everyone asks the same question, everyone gets similar answers. So the goal isn't to write better prompts. The goal is to give Claude better direction. Step 1. Teach Claude your taste. This is probably the biggest difference between beginners and people creating incredible AI designs. They don't start with Claude, they start with inspiration. Whenever you find a website that makes you stop scrolling, save it. Do not copy it to understand why you liked it. Maybe it's the typography, maybe it's the spacing, maybe it's animation, maybe it could be how calm everything feels overall. After a while, you'll notice patterns. Those patterns become your design taste. Now, instead of asking Claude, build me a landing page, you can say, I want something minimal like this. I love this typography. I like these layouts. I want this cinematic feeling. Suddenly, Claude stops guessing anymore. It's following your creative direction. Some great places to collect inspiration are Dribble, Pinterest, X, Awards, and even websites you naturally come across. I keep screenshots of everything I like. Eventually, it becomes my own design library. Think of it like Pinterest, but only for things that you personally love. That one habit alone dramatically improves Claude's output. Step 2. Give Claude better tools. Claude is incredibly good, but out of the box misses a few superpowers, especially when it comes to front end polish. And that's where tools come in. One of my favorites is Impeccable. Instead of rebuilding your UI, it critiques it. It improves spacing, typography, hierarchy, motion, responsiveness. It removes all those little things that subconsciously make a design feel AI generated. Another tool I really like is Taste. The name says everything. Its whole purpose is making designs feel less generic. Instead of making everything louder, it makes everything intentional. Then there's image generation. A landing page is only as good as hero section. Claude can write code, but it can't create amazing visuals itself. I usually connect image generation through MCP so Claude can generate hero images while building the page. Instead of searching for stock photos, everything is created specifically for the design. One thing I would avoid though, don't keep chasing tools. A lot of people think if I just install one more MCP, my designs will finally look amazing. That's almost never true. Tools amplify taste, they don't replace it. Step 3. Stop one shot prompting. This is the biggest mindset shift. Don't ask Claude for one website, ask for five. Seriously. Imagine hiring five designers instead of one. Each comes back with a completely different direction. One is minimal, one is editorial, one is futuristic, one is playful, one is cinematic. Now, instead of hoping Claude guessed correctly, you're choosing your favorite direction. Once you pick one, don't polish it yet. Ask Claude for three more variations of that style. Now you've narrowed 20 ideas down to three. Only when you start refining fonts, spacing, animations, colors, hero pages, every iteration gets smaller, every iteration gets closer. Instead of gambling with prompts, you're making design decisions. This single workflow changed everything for me. My prompt structure. People always ask, what's a magic prompt? Honestly, there isn't one. I usually include four things. First, the aesthetic. Should it be minimal, editorial, luxury, brutalist, cinematic? Second, reference images. Not to copy, but to match the feeling. Third, intent. Who is the audience? What's the product? What's the goal? Should visitors sign up, book a demo, download an app? That changes the design completely. Finally, guardrails. Things Claude should never do. No purple gradients, no floating blobs, no generic SAS layouts, no default enter everywhere. These tiny constraints massively improve consistency. Iterate visually. Here's another trick. Don't keep asking Claude, make it better. That's just too vague. Instead, build controls, create a tweak panel, switch fonts, adjust spacing, change accent colors, try different hero images, watch animations, compare everything visually. Great design isn't created in one prompt, it's created through a lot of tiny improvements. Professional designers don't get it perfect on their first try, neither should you. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, Claude isn't replacing designers. It's becoming an incredibly fast design partner, but like any partner, the results depend on direction you give. So remember these three steps. Build your taste, upgrade Claude with the right tools, and never settle for first output. Generate, compare, refine, and repeat. Do that, and your landing pages will stop looking AI generated and start looking like they were designed for you. If this helped, subscribe because I'll be sharing a lot more workflows around Claude MCPs and building products with AI. I'll see you in the next one.